How do you feel? Heavyweight champion of the world.
I'm very feel.
What's that?
Heavyweight champions.
Was that the fight you expected to have from Anthony Joshua tonight?
Не, пожестче ожидал.
No, I thought
я просто был готов.
I thought he was gonna be tougher, but maybe I was ready for it.
How does this achievement ranking from cruiserweight champion to heavyweight champion? Does this feel better to be heavyweight world champion now?
Я вообще себя просто чувствую офигенно. Неважно в каком я весе, я просто себя чувствую офигенно.
It doesn't matter which way I feel very good, very fun.
That people doubted you tonight. You believed yourself, your team believed you, but you think that people doubted that you could do this tonight.
People think about it. I really don't think about it. It's not the beginning of my mind. And I think God his own plans.
We'll take the rematch with you though. Oh, sorry.